Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. So here we'll see the problem number 6 dealing with the projection of square pyramid and the square block. The problem you could see, the frustum of a square pyramid of sides 40 and the height 60, so you could see the same, right? And then rest on the center of a square block which has the side 60 and the height 20. The base edges of the pyramids are parallel to the top edges of the square block. Then you draw this combination of the solids. Well, so we have the dimensions given. Let's do this. This looks quite easy. Let's start with this. Okay, let's start with this. So I'll start with the line again. So just check the dimension. It is default. This I would like to set it to default and take the line, and then I would like to draw again a rough sketch. Okay, then dimension, this should be 30. Similarly here 30, and this length should be 60, correct? Take 60 and then quickly make it equal, make these two equal, then make these two equal. So once you're done with this, so next thing is I need to move this one. So once you have this ready, so you just select these four only, right click, copy. I would like to move it to up to 20 distance. So from here, so distance I cannot specify at the moment, let it be here. Okay, and then I would like to specify the dimension, and so I would like to join these. This should be 20. So I'll just take this, define it as 20. Yeah, now everything is fine. Okay, here too. And then next I need to scale this the top, right? So here it is 60 now, it is. I need to convert this to top. How much? It should be 40, right? So what I'll do is I'll just take these and then I would like to copy it, right click, use sketch, and then copy entities somewhere here. Let's do this. And then so here I need to calculate. Now it is 60. Now I need to convert it to 40 mm. Go to the calculator. 40 divided by 60 is same 0.6667. So okay, just remove this, select these, right click, take the scale. Here it should be 0.6666, let's see. Yeah, click OK. Oh shit. Okay, now just quickly I need to delete this, not need it, and this whole thing I need to move it center. So I need the center of this, I need the center of this too, correct? Or else that would be great. So let's have the centers. So before that I would like to have one more copy of this. So better you take this as a reference instead of that. So again copy this. This should be copy From here to somewhere here, I'll place it. I would like to move the stop. Okay. So this whole thing needs to be scaled again. Now 20 by 60 it should be 0.33734. Let us do that. 33334. Reference point is this. Click OK. Let us see the value is correct or not. So here 20 divided by 60, 0.33. Yeah, this is fine. So now I would like to move this somewhere else, because at the moment I'm going to play with another one. It should be here. Yeah. Now I would like to have the center point of this. Just select this one here. There should be the center. Then for this, there should be the center. There should be the center. Fine. And now I need to move this one here. So for that, just select everything again. Right click. Move entities, references this to this. Perfect, no? Yeah. And now I need a line of 60. Just select a line from here to here. It should be 60. Yes. And then this whole, this thing should be moved. Reference is this on this point. Correct? Yeah. And now, so once this is ready, you need to join them. Before that, I would like to convert these to the dotted one. This is fine. Once again, completely delete this. Anyway, it is not shown in the isometric view. Not needed. Yeah. And then I need to join them. So I use the line. They should be here. And they should be here. And the straight line should join here. That's the reference. You need to delete this. Yeah, this reference also should be deleted. Oh, sorry, I should join to this. So Control Z. I think you cannot move this at the moment once it is fixed. So let us do it again. So this and this you should delete. Let us delete these two. Okay. Here, this is gone. Yep, this is how it looks like. Correct. Yeah, so this is the easiest way to tackle this. And I think you can just trim this. You can go ahead with the trim closest again. These you can remove. This is fine. Yeah, so this is how the isometric view look like for this model. Yes, so if you want, you can have that. It is not needed actually. Yeah, so once you are done with this, so you need to scale it up at the end. So select whole model, right click, use sketch tools, scale with respect to this point. I would like to take it as 0.816. This is the point. Click OK. Yeah. So once you are done with this, you can have have this ready here. This final stage is done. Yeah, so you can specify the dimensions if you want. Anyway, these dimensions are given, so this is how you construct this one.
We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.